Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by ensuring Docker, kubectl, and a local cluster are ready. First, write a minimal Docker file and build it. Docker build tyourname/app1, 0. Once built, run it locally to confirm behavior because catching errors here saves time later. Then tag and push the image to your registry so Kubernetes can pull it. Make sure your local cluster can access that registry. If using private registry, configure image pull secrets. Once done, you're ready to declare Kubernetes resources. You now translate the image into running pods. Create a deployment YAML with replicas, container port, and labels. Include image pull policy, if not present or always based on your workflow. Then apply it with kubectl apply f deployment. YAML and watch progress with kubectl rollout status deployment/app. Expose the pods as a service, cluster IP, or node port, or create an ingress for HTTP traffic. Make sure RBAC and namespaces are correct. If using namespaces, add namespace to commands. Once the deployment is stable, test connectivity. You finish by exposing and scaling. Use kubectl expose or a service/ingress to reach your app, then test via port forward or the cluster IP. Scale with kubectl scale deployment/app replicas equals 3 to handle load, and monitor logs with kubectl logs fpod/name. For cleanup, kubectl delete f deployment. YAML and Docker image prune locally. Troubleshooting tip. If pods fail to pull the image, check image name, registry credentials, and image pull secrets. Inspect events with kubectl describe pod to see authentication or image errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.